We will now add furniture to the plan. At this stage you will need to refer to Plan 5, available on Blackboard and also shown on the screen now. Adding the furniture should be relatively straightforward. If you have coursework 1 drawing, open that up and hide the dimensions layer. Then select all the items of furniture. Press Ctrl and C to copy and go over to your other drawing and somewhere beside your plan paste the items of furniture. So you will need to refer to your plan PDF Plan 5 to find out where to put these items of furniture. Some of them belong to the first floor, so you won't need them all yet. And by way of preparation in the kitchen, you should add in where the worktops need to be in the kitchen and in the utility room. And there's one item that you haven't drawn yet in coursework 1, it's the boiler, so we can add that in. So by copying those items over, we've actually copied over the furniture layer, so we can now make that layer current. And we can also offset for the worktop. That would be a distance of 600. So just to make that easier, I'm going to hide the hatching layer and we can offset just from the walls. And as well as that, we need to offset the length of the unit. So the side is 1900, so we can offset that line there down, and that line can be taken to there, and we can trim off like so. We just need this end of the line, and the other direction then we need to offset by 3200. So we can offset the wall here and take that line up like so, and then we can use the fillet tool, of course with the radius set to 0. We can trim out the lines like that and then place them on the furniture layer. That will now allow us to lift the fridge freezer, and we can move it accurately from that point to the end of the line over there. With the double drainer then, that needs to go in the utility room likewise, so we'll need to offset by 600 here and here, and again we can use this fillet tool and change those lines over to the furniture layer. Finally, with the boiler, we need to draw new blocks, so rectangle tool, and the size for the boiler is 400 wide by 500. Just move that down a little, and then we can draw a circle for the flue from the boiler, and the diameter for that is 150, so the radius is 75, and then if we move that over by 125, then we also need a little bit of text just to indicate that it is a boiler, so multi-line text, and let's start to type first of all, B, and let's highlight it and change the height to 100. Okay, and just for the justification, we can change that to middle left and temporarily put it on the quadrant of the circle, and then we can move that out by say 50mm there. And the last thing to do then is just to turn that into a block, and we'll call the block boiler. Base point for that, pick it on the screen like that, and then you'll be able to put that into position appropriately as per the plan. So all the other items of furniture for the ground floor need to be added in as shown in Plan 5. Once all your items of furniture have been inserted on the plan, your drawing should look like this.